Hey, good morning, everybody. So I'm on my way to Colorado, but anytime we do, we like to stop at the Big Texan here. Yep. But we're not here for lunch this time. We're here for breakfast. I've never been here for breakfast, but looked at their menu and holy cow, their breakfast menu. But we're kind of close. They stop breakfast at 10 and it's like 9:55. So hopefully, still get some breakfast. If not, I still get a steak. But I'm going to show you some fun stuff in here while we're in here. Just want to kind of show you a real quick look around here. Pretty big place, lots of fun food. Gotta go catch up with family. Oh yeah, breakfast is 8 to 11, not 8 to 10 like online. So we get to have some breakfast. Here's a quick look at their breakfast menu. Can you guess what I'm getting already? So just looking at this, is there anything that you see that catches your eye? Of course, going with some steak and eggs here, but there's a lot of good stuff on here. Look at the waffles and stuff. Definitely a lot of good stuff to try. Okay, and in case you're wondering, yes, they do have a liquor selection. They do have some whiskey and rye here. And some scotches, but there's your whiskey selection. Now, I did show you the menu and show you the whiskey on the menu, and they do have a bar here. So don't be fooled. I don't want you to be fooled by just looking at that menu, because I was the first time. As you head towards the restroom, head towards this bar, I kind of want to show you a little something they do have. Yep. They got some better pours than they have listed on that menu as well. So some good pours here. Ooh, I'm gonna have to see, is that the new GTS? Am I gonna have to get a pour of GTS so I can finally have it for this year? Haven't found a bottle yet, but at least maybe get a pour of it. So here I am at the Big Texan, and I have my mother-in-law with me. She always helps me get some pour, so I figured we get a pour together. Cheers. Ugh. Got her some tequila. She loves tequila. Got myself some whiskey. Yeah, it's a reposado stuff. All right, so here it is, the breakfast of champions: steak, potatoes, egg, and some whiskey. Ooh, just finished my meal and pour. I'm not driving. My wife's driving this morning, so that's why I could have a pour. But there's a gentleman up there right now doing the challenge. Got a little bit more time on, 46 minutes, 42 seconds left on that. Next time I come through, I think I might try to do the challenge. What do you guys think? Think I should? If I do, maybe I'll do it live. We'll see. Oh yeah, walking out of the Big Texan to a nice sunny Texas day. Nice, beautiful weather. I will be back here in about a week. And who knows, maybe I do the Big Texan challenge. We'll see. Cheers and happy holidays, everybody.